I've been waiting all year for it to be peach season to make this ice cream. It's a silky smooth vanilla ice cream with stewed peaches and a salted caramel swirled in. You can get the recipe for my vanilla ice cream in my previous video, which I am linking here. Today I will show you how to make the salted caramel, the stewed peaches, and how I turn a simple vanilla ice cream into this delicious peach and caramel ice cream. For the salted caramel, put sugar and water into a large heavy-bottomed saucepan and get it heating on a medium heat. Stir this continuously until the sugar has dissolved and the mixture starts to bubble. Stop stirring immediately and let this brown, but keep a close eye on it. In a separate pan, heat your heavy cream until it's lukewarm. As your sugar starts to brown, you have to get ready to work very fast. I always wrap my whisk and my hand in a duster. The caramel tends to let out a lot of hot steam the moment you add in the cream. Plus, I'm deathly afraid of burning my hand on that boiling hot sugar. I wait for my sugar to turn a deep amber color and then immediately pour in that warm cream. Stir this with the whisk to combine and then add the butter, vanilla and salt and whisk again to combine. Once this cools down a bit, you can taste and add a bit more salt if you like. Set this aside to cool completely before adding it to your ice cream. Now let's get the peaches going. I would like to have just added some chopped peaches in, but as much as it's peach season and as amazing as the variety of produce from across the world we get here in Singapore, sadly the only peaches I was able to find were these white ones. I was determined not to use the canned peaches, so I stewed these and got a bit more of a color and texture going. Put a little slit near the stem of the peaches and dunk it in hot water for about a minute. This should help you peel the peach easier, although I did struggle with it a bit. Chop up the peaches into cubes and add this into a pan on a medium heat. Add in the sugar, lemon juice, water, with a pinch of salt and vanilla, and cinnamon and nutmeg, and give it a stir and let it come to a simmer. Stir this occasionally. Once the fruit has softened, give it a quick mash to help break down the fruit. If I was making this again, I think I will probably pop this into a blender to get more of a chunky puree kind of texture. Set this also aside to completely cool down. In the meantime, let's get our ice cream churning. Pour the chilled ice cream custard into the ice cream churner and get it going. It takes about 30 minutes to get that nice, creamy, soft serve consistency. If you want the recipe for a basic vanilla ice cream, don't forget to check out my previous video. Once your ice cream has churned, add in some of that peach and mix it through so that the ice cream gets a peach flavor running through it rather than just pockets of peach here and there. Now comes the best part, assembling this peach and salted caramel ice cream. Put a thin layer of the peach ice cream to cover the base of your freezer-friendly box. I'm layering in some crushed digestives to give it one more textural element. Then drizzle in that luscious salted caramel. Spoon on that peach puree and make sure everything is fairly evenly spread out. Spoon in a little bit more of the peach ice cream and repeat this until all of your ice cream is used up. I love the little bursts of flavor you get from layering elements like this. Some bites have that fruity hit, some get that slightly bitter sweetness you get from the salted caramel, and together it's just a flavor explosion in your mouth. Once you have finished layering everything, use a knife and just swirl everything through. Sprinkle a little bit more of the digestives on top and pop this into the freezer for a few hours for it to set. If you're leaving this overnight to freeze, take it out about 15 to 20 minutes before serving so that it's a little easier to scoop. And there you have it. That's my peach and caramel ice cream. This is the third of my homemade ice creams. Head on over to my YouTube channel to check out how to make a classic vanilla bean ice cream and a red velvet cream cheese ice cream. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, please subscribe to Arubakes. Drop me a like and comment with what flavors I should try out next. Thanks for watching. Bye.